Good day everyone, welcome back to Another Is Dope, and today we're doing a little sound comparison. And what we'll be comparing is this right here. This is the Ultimea A50 Pro, and what I'll be comparing it to is the Ultimea A40. So the difference between the 40 and the A50 Pro is that this is a 5.1 surround sound system. So we have the subwoofer down here, we have 3 speakers in the center channel, we have 1 speaker on the rear over here, and we have another speaker on the rear over here. So this is a 5.1 surround sound Dolby Atmos. So when you're playing like your surround sound movies like Avatar, like Avengers, you would hear that surround sound moving around you. It's a great speaker system. So for the guest bedroom, I decided to get the A40. And the A40, it's a 7.1, so which means I have 2 extra speakers on the front. So the front has 5 speakers, 1 subwoofer on the ground, and the speakers on the rear. The difference between the A40 is that it's a surround sound system, yes, but it's not Atmos. So you hear the audio coming all at the same time. It's not like tuned for the left side or tuned for the right side. So this is just to give you a quick comparison from the sound quality. What I'm playing right now is not a surround sound movie or not a surround sound clip. The reason why I can't play it is because I don't want to get a copyright strike. If you guys could recommend a copyright-free video that I could play where I could do a sound comparison for you, please let me know. So let's just dive into this. So first, I'll be testing out the A50 Pro, and then I'll go in the bedroom and show you guys what the A40 sounds like. So again, subwoofer on the ground, center speaker, 2 speakers on the rear. So let's go. So this is a video from my second channel. I do have an automotive channel, and this is shot in stereo. So the both systems will be playing in stereo. This is just to give you an idea of how clear and crisp the audio is for both speakers. So I would have the mid-range, the treble and the bass all set to, let's say, 3 on all of them, right? I have the surround sound turned all the way up, so the surround sound is set to 6. And the volume, I'm going to start at 10, 20, 30, going all the way up to 40 on both systems. So let's go. This is a volume at 10. I don't know if you can hear it, but at 10, very nice clean bass. I want to go up now to 20. I hope you can pick up on just how clear that bass is. That bass is extremely deep. The mids is extremely clear. The highs is extremely clear. All right, let's take it up to 30. As you can hear, bass, everything sounds super clear. All right, so now let's go to 40. As you can see, everything is extremely clear. Everything's extremely clear. No rattling, no weird sounds. The system works extremely well. So next, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go and we're going to check out the A40 that I have in the guest bedroom. That system sounds absolutely insane too. So let's go check that out. All right, now here we have it. Here is the A40 in the guest bedroom. So the A40 comes with 5 speakers in the front. We have a left speaker. We have 3 central speakers, and we have 1 on the rear. I have the subwoofer on the ground over here, and we have the 2 speakers on the back sides. All right, so now let's check this out. Same video, same concept. Let's bring this back. I want to put the mids to 3, the bass to 3, highs to 3, and I have the surround sound. I put the surround sound all the way up to 6. All right, so now we have that all set. Let's check this out. Bring the volume up to 6. I mean the volume up to 10. Now again, this is more speakers in a smaller room, and also this is a 7.1, not Atmos type surround sound system. But also this video is not, as I said before, it's not recorded in surround sound. Strictly stereo. This is at volume 20 right now. I want to bring the volume up to 30 right now. See, no distortion, no issues. Perfect audio. Bring it up to 40. So 40 is my cutoff point, because at 40 I find it gets super loud. Now this goes all the way up to 100, but I normally stop at 40. So as you can see, this audio sounds absolutely crazy. Again, we do have one speaker here, we have one speaker there, a subwoofer here, we do have the center speaker, and we have a speaker on each of the nightstands on the back side. So again, this sounds absolutely amazing. Yes, it's a smaller room. This is if the guest wants to listen to music, whatever the case might be. Is a little extreme, I would admit, but hey, it's a good system for a very affordable price, so why not, right? So again, this is just a quick video just to show you the difference in audio quality between the A40 and the A50 Pro. The A50 Pro is more for the bigger rooms. It is a little bit more immersive with respect to the Atmos surround sound. That does give you a little bit more of a in the action type of audio experience. All right, so I decided to actually find a, let me see what this actually says. This is a Dolby Atmos surround sound like audio test video. So this allows you to hear the full surround sound experience. Now again, this is in the bedroom, the guest bedroom. So this system is a 7.1. Just to be clear, it's a 7.1 surround sound. This is not Atmos. I will go back out in the living room and I will play Atmos, and I will play this video on the Atmos sound system so you can hear maybe the difference. So let's see what this actually sounds like. And just for clarity, this is connected, the soundbar is connected to the TV via optical cable, not HDMI. Just for clarity, all right? So I'm going to bring this back. I am going to bring the volume down to 10. This time, I'm going to put the treble at 4, mids at 4, bass at 4, all right? So now we have that all set. Let's go. Bring the volume up to 20. Bring the volume up to 30. Bringing the volume up to 40. I hope you can hear how great that audio sounds. What I'm going to do is I'll make this room extremely dark as possible for right now. And I'm going to play this exact same audio clip and sit in the center of the bed so you could actually hear if you could pick up on that surround sound type of environment, the surround sound type of like audio quality, right? So let me just darken this room up a little bit and replay this so you can hear what it sounds like. All right, so right now I'm in the middle of the bed. I'm restarting the song test, right? So let's say if you're watching a movie at night, or the lights are off, you're playing some type of surround sound type of audio. What does that audio sound like? So again, this system is a 7.1. This is not Atmos, but the audio that is actually playing should be Atmos. Just for clarity again, I do have the soundbar connected to the TV via optical cable, not HDMI. I'm gonna start at volume 10 and go all the way up to 40. Let's go. This is at 10, going up to 20. Going up to 30. I hope you can hear how crazy this sounds. Going up to 40. And now, just for the hell of it, that was at 50. You gotta admit, this sounds absolutely amazing. Let's go outside and try this now on the Atmos system, which is the A50 Pro. All right, so now we're back in the living room. I am extending this test a little bit just to see, hopefully, no copyright strikes. If I do get a copyright strike, I would have to edit this piece out, right? So this is playing audio that is supposed to be shot in Atmos, right? So again, this is the Ultimea A50 Pro. We do have a single soundbar up on top, subwoofer down on the bottom, two rear speakers. So let's check out what the surround sound actually sounds like. So this would be where I would be sitting in the living room, right? This is where I'd be sitting. So again, speaker would be over here, speaker would be over on that side, on the rear side, and the front speaker over here, right? So let's check this audio out. Volume is going to start at 10, and I'm going to crank the volume all the way up to 20. So this is 10. This is 20. I could hear the birds flying to my left side. I could hear them now moving to my right side. This is 30. I hope you can hear how thunderous that lightning and thunder sounds. Now this is 40. I know this is 50. It vibrates the sofa. This little system from Ultimea is absolutely amazing. So this is just a quick video just to show you guys the difference between a 5.1 surround sound that does have Atmos and a 7.1 surround sound that does not have Atmos. Again, this is a 5.1, one center speaker, one speaker in the rear, obviously the subwoofer on the ground, same overall setup for the 7.1 except we have two extras in the front. I hope you could clearly hear the difference between the 5.1 and the 7.1, and also something recorded in stereo playing on a 5.1 versus something recorded in stereo playing on a 7.1. The second video that I played was something recorded in Atmos playing on an Atmos, and also something recorded in Atmos you playing on a 7.1. So hopefully you could hear the differences between the two. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You gotta admit, these are pretty dope. Pretty dope. Before I go, one quick thing before I go. So I had a Bose home entertainment system here. So the Bose system was primarily one speaker on top over here, subwoofer down on the bottom. And I changed that out, obviously, now for this system that I have here from Ultimea. What I do when I'm watching movies, so the TV is just for like regular stuff, but when I'm watching movies, like brand new movies and stuff, I normally watch it on my roof. And you probably wonder how I watch it on my roof. My roof actually has a projector linked to it. So I have a projector from the back that allows me to watch my movies. So that Bose system that I had over here, I decided to put that Bose system now over here. So that Bose system is over here, and the subwoofer is down here. So guess what? When it comes to movie nights is going to be booming pretty soon. That video comparison showing the comparison between the Ultimea 5.1 and the Bose, which is a 2.1. That video is coming soon. And also I will do a video showing the immersive experience of watching the projector while having the Bose boom directly to me. That video should also be coming soon. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Until next time, you gotta admit, pretty dope, pretty dope. See you guys.